What's good, stock market? We Rose from YBN, everyone's favorite internet entrepreneur, and we are back on this Robinhood 100K challenge. As you see, guys, had a nice bounce back day, up $1,200, up almost 10%. Doing regular hours, down a little bit, $17 after hours. As you can see, the account is now over $14,000. So yes, guys, we done made it to 14K. As you know, one of our first goals were to take it from 10 to 15, and we're doing so at a nice pace. One thing I wanted to notice to you guys, because I know you guys out there have been hearing about the short squeeze with GameStop and AMC. And as you can notice, Robinhood has hit us with an alert about market conditions. So we're going to jump in that in just a second. But I just want to show you where we're at. I went over today's numbers for the week. We're looking pretty good, up 21%, $2,500 just this week alone. Over the past month, we have did over 67%, $5,700 in the last 3 months, almost creeping to 10K in the last 3 months, over a 218% turn, and over the last year, over 10K, 242% turn, and all time in this account, 285%. So, what was my big winners today? My big winner was Nokia, my 5G play that I've been telling you guys about. As you can see, guys, remember this started with uh, a 15 cent per contract call that I did, about 10 contracts. At the time of buying those, the market value was $150. So I turned $150 into $2,500, and as you can see, the total return, guys, is 2,400, up 1,600%. And guys, I am looking for this stock to go even further because one, the Wall Street bets have this stock under their radar, but the financials and the fundamentals of Nokia being a 5G and even long-term play, for me, 6G play in 2030, based off the revenues and earnings and liabilities and debts that Nokia has, I feel they are a $21 company, pretty much in the next 12 months. But with the Wall Street bets pushing and trying to create a short squeeze with Nokia, the sky is the limit, or as they like to say, straight to the moon. So will be holding these. As you can see, I have this contract for all up to next year. So pretty much right now I got diamond hands, and I just want to ride it all the way out. Also, another one of my 5G plays and to the future. As you can see here, it's taking a little time to come up. As you know, guys, Robinhood isn't the best. So, ticker symbol GILT. And for you people out there that don't know, that's Galatz Satellite Networks. As you see, guys, down 21% on the day, but up in the after hours, but trading higher on the option side. As you can see, I have this stock until the September. This contract until September, up 11% today on that one, $50. So let's talk about some of the losers today. ARC, QQQ, VTI, XLY, all losers today. And guys, those are more of the traditional, right? The traditional ETFs, and they took a beating today in the market. So now I wanted to talk to you guys about the Robinhood notification about the stock market has been super volatile and how to make sense of it. So I just want to go through a couple things in this article for you guys out there who are beginners, all right? So, what is volatility and how is it calculated? At the core, guys, volatility is a measure of change, okay? It's the change in the financial context, okay, in the markets. That is volatility, all right? Now, how much does a stock price typically fluctuates? What you want to use is the standard deviation as a proxy for volatility. Now, the reason why Robinhood alerted us to this message is because the standard deviation is all out of whack right now because of what's going on with GameStop and so forth. Okay, so I just wanted to just go through this really, really quickly, and show you guys what they are sending out. Like this topic here, what does it mean when a person says the market is up or down? And when somebody's generally speaking, that means the market. They're referring to the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones average or the Nasdaq, and you can throw the Russell 2000 in there as well. And what these are index funds that pretty much is a barometer of the entire market, right? There's thousands upon thousands of stocks on the market, but these break as before. The S&P 500 breaks down the top 500 companies and break them up into sectors. Dow Jones, which you may heard about all your life, is the top 30 companies. So if these companies are down, usually that means the market is down. All right. So guys, you can read this article on your own. Just wanted to go over, touch base a little bit because we're in a historic time right now. And guys, once again, guys, thank you for watching. And until next time, peace and a shay.